Okay, now we are going to learn about expanded form today. How we are going to write the numbers in expanded form. Now, for example, I'm going to start with a smaller value. I'm going to give you the example of a smaller value and then I'm going to start with a bigger one. Alright. Now, for example, you have over here we have 35,129. All right, we have units, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So this means it is 35,129. For writing any number in expanded form, we should again use the place value chart. Units, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. All right, so now you all know that value of each digit is we have mentioned with the with each value. All right, now we can see here this 3 stands for 10,000. How many 10,000 here? 3 10,000 here. All right, how many thousand here? 5,000. How many hundreds? 100. How many tens? 2 tens. How many units? 9 units. So we have 3 10,000. So we are going to write down 3 10,000 in the expanded form like this. 3 10,000s. Alright, this is 3 10,000. 3 10,000 means it's 30,000. 3 10,000 means it's 30,000, right? Like this, you can see here. This is 3 10,000. 1, 2, 3. And when we have 3 10,000, it means it is 30,000. 10, 20, 30. All right, 10, 20, 30. 3 10,000 means we have 30,000. So we are going to write down in the expanded form 30,000. Then we are going to put a plus sign. Then we have how many thousands? We have 5,000. So we are going to write here. We have 5,000. 30,000 plus 5,000 is 35,000. See, 35,000. Then we have how many hundreds? We have 100. Then how many tens? 2 tens is 20. Then how many units? 9 units. All right. So that's how we are going to write down any value in expanded form. But when you have a bigger number, let's do another example. When you have a bigger number, again you use the place value chart for bigger number also. Okay, now let's take an example here. Okay, now we are going to write this down in expanded form. Okay, first of all we are going to write down the place value of each digit. This is units, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million and 10 million. Now this number is 60 million. If you are going to read this number, it is 60,512,847. 60,512,847. Now we can write down this number in expanded form. First we are going to see how many 10 millions we have. We have 6 10 millions, right? In 10 millions there should be 8 digits. So we are going to write down 6 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. All right, you can see here we have 8 digits here in 60 million. Then we have next value is of million, and million has how many digits? You can count from here also. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. You can count here. मिलियन के बाद से आप जितने वैल्यूज हैं काउंट कर लेंगे मिलियन को मिला के. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we should have 7 digits in million, and there is 0 million, so we will write 0 million like this. 0 million. Then we have how many 100,000 here? 500,000 here. So we are going to write down 500,000. All right. Then we have how many 10,000? we have 110,000. So we are going to write down 110,000. Then how many thousands we have? We have 2,000. So we are going to write down 2,000. Then how many hundreds we have? 800. How many tens we have? 4 tens is 40. And how many units we have? 7 units. All right. There is another easy way to learn how to write down the remaining numbers. अगर आपने फर्स्ट वैल्यू लिखनी है, आपने फर्स्ट नंबर लिखा 6 है. हाउ मेनी 10 millions आर देयर? 6 10 millions. It's 60 millions. So write down 6 and remaining numbers will become 0. remaining जितने भी numbers होंगे आप इसको 0 कर देंगे. You will write down 6. Just write down 6, then count the numbers here. How many numbers are here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So write down 7 zeros along with 6 in the proper with proper spacing also. जिस तरह ऊपर स्पेस आपके पास नंबर में गिवन है, आपको उस तरह से स्पेस यूज करनी है सब में. ठीक है. You can see this example here, how we can write down any bigger numbers in expanded form.